Hello.
I can't hear your voice.
Hello.
Hello.
Abhijit.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, now it is.
Yeah. So I was telling you that why we get duplicate bug. I discussed already. The same functionality exists in both the module, and it changes the status of the bug as duplicate. Next is how to remove duplicate bug. Go and search in bug repository. Bug exists. Prepare proper bug report and send it to developer and carbon copy to all test engineers. Next status we are talking about not reproducible or not create. So developer is not able to reproduce the bug after seeing the bug report. Bug report is where Excel sheet is prepared where will write that what is the severity and priority and what is that bug. So that is called as not reproducible or not recreate. Developer is not able to reproduce the bug after seeing the bug report. So why we get not reproducible bug. So why we get not reproducible bug is because there's something called as environment mismatch. There's something called as inconsistent or sporadic bug.
So it is inconsistent or inconsistent?
No,
What is
inconsistent. Inconsistent or sporadic bug, environment mismatch, okay, data mismatch, or environment mismatch means what test engineer is using. You remember I taught you something called as staging environment, dev environment, production environment. If you remember, the test engineer environment is different. He will use different OS and browser, and developer is using different OS and browser. So in that case, there is a environment mismatch. Test engineer is using different browser and OS, and developer is using different browser and OS. So this is called as what? Environment mismatch. Inconsistent bug means what? For 2 times the bug will come and the third times bug will not come. For some time bug will come and sometime bug won't come. So that is called as an inconsistent or sporadic bug. So if the bug is coming for some time, not coming for some time, so what should we do? There is something called as, we can take the screenshot. You know screenshot, how we take the screenshot? Hello?
hello, sir?
Yeah, do you know how to take a screenshot?
Um,
Yeah, you mean from the
Yeah. So screenshot, no, using print screen we can take. Okay.
yeah.
So you just
yeah.
yeah, just press on print screen and just go to print. So we can take the screenshot. There are other tools like keeping tool and yeah. So there are a lot of tools why which we can take the screenshot because it's sporadic bug. It will come for some time. It will not come for some time. To overcome this, we'll take a screenshot. So that is called as inconsistent bug. And data mismatch means what? So now the test engineer is using different data. Suppose he is using the username, password as ASD as username and password he is using QWE, and he is not able to log in into that application, but developer is using different data. He is using the username password as ASD and ASD, and he is able to log in. So because of this data mismatch also, there is something called as, they are telling that we are not able to reproduce the bug. There's something called as improper bug report. Improper bug report means what? The bug report is not telling the bug clearly. The description is not clear, or the steps are not clear. Description is not clear, or steps written in the bug report is not clear. So that is called as what? Improper bug report, or inconsistent bug, or data mismatch, environment mismatch. All these reasons will lead to what? Not reproducible or not create status. We'll close the session today.